Do you want to reset Windows 11 on your ASUS laptop, but the system won't boot into the operating system? Well, you've come to the right video. Most ASUS laptops come with a neat little feature called Cloud Recovery that lets you reset these machines without booting into Windows first, if for some reason you cannot. There are two ways you can use Cloud Recovery. Either Cloud Recovery via WinRE or the Windows Recovery environment, which is the simpler and quicker method, or you can use Cloud Recovery via UEFI or the BIOS, which is the last resort when nothing else works. Here's how to use the simpler and quicker WinRE method first. As always, ensure your machine has at least 70% battery and is connected to power. Hold the F12 button and power on your laptop. This should bring you to this blue screen. From here, choose Troubleshoot and on the next screen, choose MyASUS in WinRE. Connect to a Wi-Fi network as this will be required to download Windows installation files from the cloud. You then may be asked to update MyASUS in WinRE if an update is available. In the next screen, you may see the option to back up any remaining data to an external drive. Now if your drives are accessible, you can choose this option, and we have a link in the description of this video that will guide you through just that. But for now, we'll skip this step. A final confirmation screen is next, where you will see all the options that you have chosen so far. Go through this screen and the cloud recovery process will begin. Now you can leave the laptop for a while, as the reset process can take anywhere between minutes and hours depending on your machine and network connection. The laptop may even restart a few times, but that's perfectly normal. After everything is done, the laptop will show this screen from where you can begin setting up your laptop just like a new laptop again. Congratulations! You've just reset your ASUS laptop pretty easily. If Cloud Recovery in WinRE does not work for you for some reason, you also have the option to use Cloud Recovery via UEFI, which can be a lifesaver for your device in more complicated situations. Do note, however, that this can be more time consuming as well. The ASUS Cloud Recovery via UEFI or BIOS is supported on machines with at least a 12th Gen Intel Core processor or an AMD Ryzen 6000 series processor. Hold down the Escape button on your keyboard and press the power key to boot the machine up. This will take you to one of three screens: the ASUS BIOS page, the ROG BIOS page, or the boot selection page. For the ASUS BIOS page, you can enter the Cloud Recovery page directly by pressing F6. For the ROG BIOS page, you can enter the advanced mode by pressing F7 and find the ASUS Cloud Recovery option here. If you see the boot selection page, simply choose the Enter Setup option and you should find the Cloud Recovery option on the next screen. Remember, if this is your first time using Cloud Recovery, you may have to do things like read and agree to the privacy policy and confirm the age requirement. You will also have to connect to Wi-Fi to allow Cloud Recovery to download the necessary installation files from the cloud. After the connection step, the machine will download the Cloud Recovery interface, and in the next step, you will have the option to back up your files to an external drive. You can check our link in the description on more details for how to do that. Once you are past this, you will have one final confirmation before starting the Cloud Recovery process, after which your machine will download and install a fresh copy of Windows all on its own. After a few restarts, you should find yourself on the Windows setup screen. Congratulations! Your device is now reset and you can continue setting up your ASUS or ROG machine as if it were a new laptop. While you do that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content around your ASUS laptop.